It's politics time again, so tell me how you're gonna vote now. With all the COVID-19 crisis in the air, it's still clear politics time is very near. It's a time of a year when politicians' messages echo in your ear, wanting to win votes here and there. But for the poor, do they really care? Well, the fourth political party is now officially registered in Jamaica. I'm just making you aware. The JPP, Jamaica Progressive Party, have become the fourth registered political party in the island. The Kingston-based party, led by Gilbert Alexander Edwards, was given the green light go by Electoral Commission Office of Jamaica on July 15, 2020. ECJ Chairman Earl Jarrett noted that this was indeed a positive development for democracy. We are encouraged to see the increased participation of citizens in the democratic process. The ECJ looks forward to engaging future aspirants in the formalization of their registration as political parties, he said. The JPP will now be eligible to contest future elections and will have its finances monitored by the Electoral Commission of Jamaica. So, 4 registered parties are now officially in our country for those who never knew. Most people already know about the 2 main parts of them, which is the JLP, Jamaica Labour Party, and the PNP, People's National Party. The third is the UIC, United Independence Congress. The UIC is based in Bogue, St. Elizabeth, led by Joseph Patterson. And now we have the fourth, which is the JPP, Jamaica Progressive Party. And as I mentioned before, it is based in Kingston and led by Gilbert Alexander Edwards. So there you have it. Thanks for watching my channel, Great Amaziyah. Like, comment, share, and get my subscription higher. Tell them precisely.